Namaskar and good evening. Friends, today we will look at one of the latest results, namely Mrs. Bectors Food Specialities Limited with reference to its Q2 FY24 results. Now, the revenues in Q2 FY24 is 414.5 crores. Last year Q2 347.4 crores and year on year improvement is 19.3%. Then previous quarter Q1 374.2 crores. So revenues have improved quarter on quarter by 10.8%. So year on year improvement is 19.3% and quarter on quarter improvement is 10.8%. Then gross profit 193.6 crores in Q2. Last year Q2 154.6 crores. Improvement in gross profit year on year is 25.2%. Then Q1, that is previous quarter, 175.6 crores. And with reference to previous quarter, quarter on quarter improvement is 10.2%. Gross profit has improved by 25.2% year on year and 10.2% quarter on quarter. Gross profit margin is 46.7% in Q2, 44.5% in Q2 of last year. So there is an improvement of some 218 basis points year on year. And Q1 46.9%, slightly more than Q2. So quarter on quarter there is a degrowth in gross profit of some 24.9%. EBITDA 64.7 crores in Q2, 44.4 crores in Q2 of last year. So there is an improvement of 45.5% year on year and Q1 57.9 crores, so 11.6% improvement in EBITDA. EBITDA margin, if you see, latest quarter 15.6%, previous quarter, the last year same quarter 12.8%, there is an improvement of 281 basis points. And Q1 of last year, Q1 of this year, that is previous quarter, 15.5%. So 11 basis points improvement. EBITDA, there is improvement in quarter on quarter and year on year both. Profit after tax 37.3 crores Q2. Q2 of last year 21.9 crores. So 70.1% improvement in net profit year on year. So that is reasonably good. 70.1% improvement is very impressive. And last year net profit, Q1 net profit, that is previous quarter net profit was 34.9%. So there is a quarter on quarter improvement of 7%. So overall the revenues have improved and net profit has improved. So there is no problem. So, but profit after tax margin is 9% now, 6.3% last year, 9.3% previous quarters. There is a slight reduction. Quarter on quarter there is a slight reduction in the profit margin, but profit by itself is okay. Quarter on quarter 70.1%, year on year 70.1%, quarter on quarter 7%. Now there are two segments, biscuit segment, bakery segment. Revenue Q2 we have seen 259 crores against 206 crores of Q2 of last year. So growth of 25%. Here domestic and export both are there, both have improved very well. Then bakery segment. Bakery segment also has registered a growth of 12% year on year, including retail, bakery and institutional segment grown by 16.4% as compared to Q2 of FY22. Overall, two segments, bakery and biscuits, both are improving very well. But compared to the previous quarter, there is a slight reduction in some margins. So, that is one thing to be taken care of. But I think the company is improving very fast and very well. Now, Bectors, the MD says, we continue to focus on distribution, marketing, premiumization within existing product segments, that is two segments are there, and providing customers with differentiated products both in domestic and international markets. This has resulted in revenue expansion and margin expansion as well. That's what he says. And he says, we believe there is a lot of room for the company to increase distribution reach in the existing markets in northern India. Now they are concentrating on northern India very much. There itself, he says, there is a lot of room for further expansion. We remain committed to strengthen our footprints across other states in the coming years for both business segments. Our focus continues to be on the export and QSR businesses, export business also and QSR business also, where we are supported by the growth of existing customers and addition of new ones. Geographical diversification backed by distribution expansion, premiumization and marketing. These will be the key growth drivers for the company in the coming quarters. So, Mrs. Bectors is improving every quarter. Sum and substance is that they are going for new products, new markets, new regions, new export markets, etc. They are already in export markets in number of countries. So, my feeling is this is a good company, upcoming company, but you must always be looking at every quarterly result and make your own decisions on buy, hold and sell. That is always there for efficient portfolio management. This is the key. You should take the responsibility for all of your decisions. Thank you very much. I will be back with you with another great company.